All right, this GE fridge needs the water filter replaced. Let's go ahead and get that done. We're going to be using this XWFE filter and also a towel. I've put a link to the filter below in the description. That'll take you straight to Amazon if you need to buy one for yourself. All right, first step, go ahead and put this towel down. Next, we'll go ahead and open this up just like that. This will swing out this way. Okay, so to take the old one out, you're going to want to go counterclockwise, quarter turn, and then pull out. You got your new filter. Okay, so you want to insert the filter with this arrow going straight in like this. And then turn it clockwise a quarter turn. Go ahead and close this back up. And you're going to want to run the water for about 5 minutes so you can get about 2 gallons of fresh water through this. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.